Why do 70% of homeowners skip vital AC maintenance? Let's change that. Hiring a professional for your AC installation isn't just a good idea, it's essential. Proper installation means better performance and fewer breakdowns. Think of it like planting a tree the right way. Done right, it flourishes. Next up, filter changes. Swap out those filters regularly to keep your air clean and your unit efficient. It's like giving your AC a breath of fresh air. Plus, it helps avoid those nasty allergens floating around your home. And don't forget the annual tune-ups. Just like your car, your AC needs a yearly checkup to run smoothly. A little maintenance goes a long way in extending its lifespan and saving you money in the long run. So remember, professional installation, regular filter changes, and yearly tune-ups are your keys to a cool and comfy home. Stay chill and take care of your AC.